Okay, what's up you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the boot logo on your iPod Touch 2nd generation without having to re-jailbreak it. This is a really fast method. It only takes about 5 minutes to do. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to this website right here, QuickFreedom.com. I'll put the link in the description. And you're going to want to hit this green arrow to install the software. Go ahead and install run the setup wizard and install it. Once that's done, go to this link. I'll put it in the description. It's off the Microsoft website. It's pretty much the paint.net. You can go ahead and download it here or here. It doesn't really matter. And also install that. Once that's done, you could either go, well, you know what, never mind. First I'm going to show you how to create your own boot logo, which is really easy. Definitely if you already have a background with the ratio of 320 by 480. See, I already have all these pictures right here and stuff. This is 320 by 480, so I don't have to do anything to it, but I'm going to show you how to. If you have a big picture that's, let's say, a wallpaper for your desktop, like something like this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit this little rectangle select tool, and you want to go up here where it says normal. You want to click on it once so it says fixed ratio. You want to highlight the width and go and put 320, and highlight the height and put 480. So then that way when you select something, it goes by that fixed ratio no matter which way you turn it, which is the iPod Touch's screen ratio. So you go ahead and you select what you want. If you want to move it around, you have to hit the white arrow, and then you can move it around to see what you want to select. Then you hit the crop button, which is up here. But now, if you noticed, it's kind of too small, so you're going to want to go to Image, Resize, and then for the width, once again, you put 320. Then for the height, put 480. When you do this, you might want to uncheck this box, or when you try to put one number on it, when you try to put one number in, it'll change all the other ones, so make sure this is unchecked. So once you do that, hit OK. It'll resize it. Go to File, Save As, save it wherever you want. Make sure it's a PNG. That's the best kind of image that it goes a lot fast. Well, it doesn't really make a difference, but whatever. I think it works better. So once you save it to wherever you want it to, you open up QuickFreedom. What I've noticed when I open it up, this is what you'll see. First of all, you'll see jailbreak or change logo. We're doing change logo because that's what this video is all about, so whatever. So you're going to choose which ones you want. See, you could choose your recovery logo. You could choose one. They have some ones that are here that the thing comes with, the software. And you could change your boot logo. These also have some that they came with. So I'm going to use my custom one, which is this one. You know what, let me change this really quick. Change it to this one. And then recovery logo, you could use custom and then find where you saved it. And same with this one, but I'm going to use these two. When you hit OK, it should automatically start starting the software, but I'm going to show you what happens with mine. It's going to do this, error patching file. So I don't know, for the longest time I was like, what the heck, what am I supposed to do? Freaking out because I thought this was really cool and a lot easier than the other way I used to do it. So what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to X out of it, go to start or wherever you have the program. If you have a shortcut, that's fine. Go over the program. See, I have it right here, QuickFreedom. Right click on it and hit run as administrator. Then it'll ask you an unidentified program wants access to your computer. Go ahead and allow it. It'll open up again. I'm going to go back to change logo. And before I do this, I want to show you really quick. Alright, you know what? I'm going to hit cancel really quick just to show you. These boxes right here. You could put installer if you want. If you don't have it before and you want it now, you could go ahead and check it, but it will take longer to create the firmware. So, and I don't even like installer, it always freezes. Anyways, you want to have this box checked, already jailbroken, that's kind of obvious, and you want to use your custom logo, so you want this box checked too. So, you go into change, or you go ahead and change it to whatever you want. Let me change this back. Open, OK. And then you go ahead and you hit the button that says create firmware. This doesn't take that long at all, so when it's done, you'll get a file. It's not really a file, it's actually your software, which is right here. It'd be like something NOR something or other dot IPSW. When you have that file right there, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into iTunes. Here, you know what? It's almost done. I'll just let it finish. This will come up. Your custom NOR firmware has been completed and patched successfully. When you hit OK, if you already have your iPod plugged in, when I hit OK, it'll go to the next step and put my iPod in recovery mode. If you wait a couple seconds. Okay, it did last time, but whatever. You hit the next button, and then you hit this button right here, enter recovery mode. Once you hit it, your iPod, that, well, obviously has to be plugged in, will go into recovery mode. You should see the little screen with the iTunes logo and it should say like the little icon, the recovery logo. So then iTunes will pop up. iTunes detected an iPod in recovery mode. You must restore this. Blah blah. Go ahead and hit the OK button. Now what you're going to want to do is, you probably have done this when you jailbroke it, you want to hold down shift and click on the restore button. Now it should be on your desktop, custom NOR.IPSW. You want to click on the one it just made. So you go ahead and hit open. It should show your recovery logo for about, I don't know, 10, 20 more seconds after you hit the button, maybe even 5. And then your new boot logo will pop up. And that's pretty much it. Then it'll go ahead and restore, and then it only takes a little bit. I'll even finish the video and show you how long it takes to finish. And when it's done, it'll come up with a little pop-up. The changes will, your iPod has been restored to factory settings. Do not get alarmed because it's an NOR restore, which pretty much means it's not a full restore. So when you go ahead and it goes back to your lock screen, and everything's still there. So it's almost done right now. It takes maybe about 5 more minutes, I would say. I don't know, that's probably just a random guess, but so once this is finished, this video will be over. Just closing everything down. Don't need that anymore. You know what, maybe I do. Just in case if I screw up on this one somehow and I want to redo the video again. Sorry if there's a whole bunch of static in the mic, it keeps falling off my head. And there we go. It's all done. iPod has been restored to factory settings. Once again, don't freak out about this message. It hasn't. So then, my iPod is showing the boot logo and it's booting up right now. So, that's pretty much it. Thanks, and please comment and rate.